Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this photograph and asked how you could draw that. Well, let's just try. I noticed that there's 4 squares, so I'm going to hold down the control button and make a perfect square. I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. I am going to control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to rotate it 22.5 degrees. There's our main object. To do something like this, you have to have like a solid feel. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this like 4-point. Well, it's going to be thicker. That'll work. Then go up to Object and convert the outline to an object. And then when you do that, you can left click, right click. And when you grab them all, you can see that the weld tool opens up and you weld it. So that gave us a solid color. So we can use a Smart Fill tool. Don't know really what color to start with. I'm going to start with this color and see what it did. It made a solid color out of all the lines. Then I'm going to go. This is a little bit of a trick. I've only used a couple of times. Interactive Fill tool. I'm going to go from there to there, and let's pick a green to put on this side. You know, I don't like that. Let's put a dark blue. Then go right up here and pick this one right here, which is a fountain fill, whatever. It's going to do this magic. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And once you take your item away, let's take a black box, go up to Object, Order, back a page. And look how that stands out. So this was evidently done in Corel because the pattern is almost equal when you go to that interactive fill tool. And that doesn't really show up till you've done something. So let's do that again. Let's try just an ellipse. Pick a green, interactive fill tool. I'm pretty sure you would have to have 2 colors. So let's pick, well, red and green isn't going to look very good. Let's go red and yellow. And then see how that opens that up. And then just pick that again. Wow. And that's how I've used it before. That's pretty cool. Now, this actually looks better because this is like, almost looks fuzzy because of the separation of the lines. Well, that looks pretty sharp. Well, there is some separation of colors. But if you were going to print that on a t-shirt or something, that would look pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.